WJCL News, working for you.
Welcome back. Time now about 5:12. Let's take a look at some of the stories making headlines around the area. Hundreds of new jobs coming to Screven County. For the first time in more than 40 years, well, ground was broken today for a new plant. It's a $70 million textile facility. And boy, oh boy, the timing couldn't be better, some people say. WJCL's Nick Notario was there today. He joins us now with more. And boy, this is good news for a lot of people out there, Nick.
Well, especially Screven County's unemployment rate about 2 percentage points higher than the rest of Georgia. So with people looking for work, there's a lot of excitement about 250 new jobs on the way. Governor Nathan Deal and the chairman of the textile company and local officials dug into the dirt this morning. Work should begin on the textile plant next month. This is the first United States plant for the Indian-based company. Officials say they picked Screven County because of the proximity to the Georgia ports, build-ready land, and availability of workers. The company says if the facility is successful, more plants will follow suit.
The whole textile world is looking at us, and once this unit is successful, there would be many entrepreneurs who are looking forward to join us and put their facilities in Georgia.
As you know, we were a part of the old textile belt that much of it went offshore, and this example of some of it coming back.
While construction is set to begin next month, company officials say the plant won't be operating until early 2016. Today's news didn't just play well with state and local officials. Coming up in about an hour, Jennifer, hear from locals who are thrilled with the prospects of jobs coming their way.
I'll bet they are. Great news.
Big time.
All right. Thank you.